मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं है। आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टेप।
गवर्नमेंट ने 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो गवर्नमेंट का सही डिसीजन है? आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely. I think it was high time. And I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister. And I would like to congratulate them on that.
I think it's a very, very bold initiative, and as citizens, we all should take part and go through these immediate problems that we are facing right now, and in the long run and for the larger good of the nation, this is going to help us all. So let's all stick together and support this.
अगर करप्शन हटाना है तो, और जब करप्शन इतना ज़्यादा हो तो शायद थोड़ा हार्ड स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. I think it's still early to comment on how it will go, because there are certain practicalities attached to the change in currency and the notes that have been changed. So it's going to be difficult. Everybody's finding it difficult. I'm sure we will also find it difficult. But if it leads to less corruption, if it leads to less black money, if it leads to less fake money, which is also a very big issue that we've been facing, then I think it's a bold step, and I think it's in the right direction.
Well, I think कुछ सोच के ये बात की गई है, और I hope it is for the good. अच्छा है, और I think people are following it, और उसे थोड़ी तकलीफ़ हो रही है आम जनता को, लेकिन अगर ये तकलीफ़ कुछ अच्छा ला सकती है आगे, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मोस्ट वेलकम.
हाँ ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ किया है तो इट्स have to we voted for the government, so we have to. एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सिर्फ जब मैं एक्चुअली ऑटो लेती हूँ तो चेंज नहीं है, तो वो बहुत तकलीफ है मेरे लिए एक्चुअली.
I'm not so worried about myself because I have a card, a credit card, and a debit card. But I know that there are a lot of people who don't. And I think people who rely on, money every day, vegetable vendors, house help, etc., I think it's really hard for them. मैंने जो भी अपने पास था सब बांट दिया है actually, और मैं अभी कार्ड से गुजारा कर रही हूँ, which is what I think everybody wants. But at least I've distributed whatever I had because I couldn't bear to see everybody looking so stressed out around me. So yeah. जी नहीं, लाइक आई सेड, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट आई नो कि इंडिया एक बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एंड स्पेशली इन स्मॉल टाउन्स, इन विलेजेस, आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. आई एम वॉचिंग द लाइन्स आउटसाइड. आई नो द मूव इज़ वेरी गुड एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर कंट्री. It is a very important thing to do, but I know that a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulty. So I'm trying to help as much as I can. Actually, मेरे को इस सब पे कमेंट नहीं करना है, because the thing is, मैं जो भी बोलूँगी anyway वो चेंज नहीं होगा. I think what we should do now is to try and see how we can help the people around us. I think that is the more important thing. What is done is done. I think moving forward, we have to see what steps we can take to ease everybody's problems. And जैसे मैंने बोला, मुझे और I think बहुत सारे जिन लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ, मे बी उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन माई लाइफ जिनको हो रही है. तो हम, इफ ईच ऑफ अस हेल्प्स, आई थिंक we'll tide over this time and then it'll be back to normal.
प्रॉब्लम सब खत्म है. There's peace everywhere. Even if you have the money, you can't spend it. इससे rest and peace की बात क्या हो सकती है? I think in the long run, yes, definitely, and I'm all for supporting this. I think there's a lot lying in dumps, and it's a cleanliness drive. जैसे स्वच्छ भारत actually अब स्वच्छ होगा. So yes, definitely.
Well, I hope all of it subsides in due course of time, and of course it has been done with an intention for the betterment of our country. Initially there will be थोड़े बहुत hiccups तो रहेंगे, but I'm sure in due course of time सब settle हो जाएगा.
See, I know there's a lot of difficulty because of, a lot of the common man is really facing a lot of difficulty because of this condition right now. But I know for a fact ये एक अच्छे cause के लिए है, and eventually this will turn out to be the right thing to do. So I know that it's difficult right now. The moment is very tense, but from the long run perspective, it's the best thing that's happened to us.
1000 रुपया का छुट्टा तो नहीं मिला दोस्त, मगर कार्ड चला रहा हूँ और बाकी कुछ पैसे हैं छुट्टे वो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ.